Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the dark matter capsule and powering the emitter. Do this now to stabilize flux. You connect the lead-lined container to the emitter and set 5% oscillation so the field forms slowly. Once done, monitor the flux readout and adjust amplitude in 1% steps. This prevents spikes. You keep hands off active components and use the shielding to avoid contamination, because controlled spin stabilizes dark matter behavior and enables predictable deployment. You shape the anomaly by tuning the emitter phase to a 16:9 ratio. This aligns modes and makes the dark envelope workable. Then you expand the containment net to 1/2 meter and tension the weave so it holds transient particle gradients. Once stabilized, you deploy with a remote actuator using a 2-second delay window to avoid interference. Make sure to watch the harmonics meter. Slight phase drift requires micro-adjustments to keep the field cohesive during operation. You finish by ramping down the emitter gradually over 30 seconds so the field dissolves cleanly. Abrupt shutdown risks residual pockets. Once the envelope collapses, seal the capsule in double containment for safe transport and label it. If instability appears, jittering readouts or stray arcs, immediately revert to 0.5% oscillation and isolate the chamber to prevent spread. That troubleshooting tip solves most failures. Then diagnose phase drift and repair emitter alignment before any subsequent attempt.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.